wonder, can you daydream at night? Lying awake, I've had too much time. I'm watching picture shows in the shadows, dance for the crowd tonight. Imagination is such a vivid place to hide, and while stars watch over you through silent homes. Lights are out and I walk these halls the way I walked before, sleeping with saints and apparitions between the walls. Lights are out as I walk these halls. Promise not to wake you, but I'll walk the light just so you can hear the rats in the roof, the termites in the ceiling. And we'll hear everything except what we need to hear. Sleeplessness is for the restless, but I'm just fine, left to wonder, aimless and unconscious now. Where spiders crawling from the corners of my eyes, let them weave their little webs to scratch the sunlight from the lands. I'm staring at the ceiling, cause I'm fed up with the sight. Laying my eyelids back to sleep, silk by silk and silver threads. And while stars watch over you through silent homes, lights are out and I walk these halls the way I walked before, sleeping with saints and apparitions between the walls. The lights are out and I walk these halls. Cast the sheep out of your mind, count the walls so I'll sleep tonight.